Oh my god, I got cut off. Okay. Put this right there. Okay. My beautiful Pokemon. Oh yeah, chapstick. Zoom this. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. I got scared right now. I don't know why. Okay, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Is it these? Oh, I tried to look for it, but I thought you said your purse.
It is in my purse.
I didn't see it.
If it's not, go in the Mac bag.
There's nothing in there. Oh, Jamie. You're no ass. You're using chopstick the wrong way.
No, I cleaned it off first.
Say bye, Yvette. Say bye, Jamie.
Why?
No, but like you mean it.
Bye.
No, not me. Yvette, go turn off the TV over there and let's go watch TV here.
What's this lipstick? This concealer. It's yours?
Yeah.
Why is it?
What's in your bag?
I'll be right back.
Nothing but dildos.
Oh, Yvette didn't turn off the TV. See what's on. Food channel. I love recording. Yvette, go turn off the TV over there. Because we're gonna watch TV in here.
It's gonna stay on and stuff. Go turn on the TV and the light.
Want me to go with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just leave it. Oh my god. Bye.
Imagine it falls. Kill myself.
Oh,
Oh, the tato. The tato that gets burns.
What's your wins?
You cheater, I have to turn off the light. Uy, kukuy. Run! 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 Run!
Don't put that light in my face, cause it hurt.
Okay, bye, because Jamie be mad that I'm using her phone. No more Yami films.